Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Frollo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Frollo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app. Then on your screen, you're gonna see register with email or sign in. Tap on register with email. Then go ahead and type in your email address. Create a password there. Well, your password must contain a capital letter, a small letter, one special character, and a number. Now tap on register from the screen. Then tap on accept from the bottom right corner. If you want to allow the app to send you notification, tap on allow. Then it's gonna send you an email. Go ahead, look for the email from that app. Go to your Gmail app. Then tap on confirm. Once you do that, you can see it's gonna take you to the customer.frollo.us options. Tap on go back to app from there. Once you do that, tap on set passcode. Go ahead, set a passcode. Then retype your passcode and tap on finish. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up on Frollo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.